speaking of a land of confusion, today I'm going to be tackling the topic of Microsoft Fabric. And I find that a lot of people get confused about what Microsoft Fabric is. I get a lot of questions like, isn't this just another word for Power BI? Is this some kind of marketing scheme by Microsoft? And, what the heck is capacity? So I'm here to clear up all of that confusion for you today. I am Andy with Integrity Data Insights, and welcome back to another episode of Drums and Data. And if you're new to this series, this is where I tackle a song on the drums and I talk about a data topic. So today I took on the song Land of Confusion, which was originally performed by Genesis back in 1986. And Genesis is my favorite band. It's not my favorite song, but it fit the topic, so I had to go with it. So let's get in and get started. So if this is you and you've made a similar face to this, when someone brings up Microsoft Fabric, you're not quite sure what it is, it feels a little bit like an enigma, it's kind of hard to put your hands around, exactly what it is. Don't feel bad, you're not alone. I'm going to walk you through the basics of it today, and we'll get into more details in future episodes. But let's start with a very simple example that all of us are going to be familiar with. A very simple dashboard, that your organization may have. It has, various metrics and, different charts, different information displayed. But unless you're in the data analytics profession or the tech space, you probably don't think too much about what happens to make this possible. But for those of us in the tech space, we know there's a whole world down here below the surface, and that's where Microsoft Fabric shines. That's where it's designed to help users the most. It also touches on this top part above, but the majority of it is below here, bringing in data sources, transforming them, cleaning them, standardizing them, all these different functions, setting who can get access to them, and all these different steps before finally reaching your desktop. So just like in many professions, there's many different tools that data professionals use for different tasks, and these tools have been around a long time and they have served us well for many years, but there's also problems with them. Many of them are siloed and different and very isolated. They don't talk to each other. Microsoft Fabric was designed to eliminate some of the problems that data professionals face as a result of having all these different technologies, having things that don't talk to each other. So Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one analytics platform that stitches many of the technologies together. See what I did there? So all of these different functions are covered in some way or another within Microsoft Fabric. So I know I've done quite a bit of talking. Now I want to kind of show you inside Fabric itself so you can see it for yourself, what it looks like, what features it has. So first thing I want to call your attention to is this main navigation bar off to the left. This has all kinds of different features, and this is kind of your home base for navigating all things Fabric. I'm going to click right here into the Create because this kind of gives you the easiest view of everything that, the easiest way to kind of see the menu, so to speak, of everything that Fabric has. So you can look here, build your first report, add data, but I'm going to click right here on the See All, so we can kind of see all the different things that are available. So you can see it's organized very similar to how we've been talking already. Data engineering, data science, data warehouse. So all of these different things are available. Databases, let's scroll, real-time intelligence. So it's very nicely organized, and this gives you so many different options of things like we were talking about with all the different tools and the things available. You can create, a lake house. You can create, a notebook. You can create data flows to bring data in and clean it and move it different places. All of these different things are all within this one umbrella. It stores the data all in kind of a common format. So who are the primary users of Microsoft Fabric? Mostly data and analytics technical professionals, data engineers, data scientists, data architects, all these different roles you see here. And yes, business users that use Power BI are technically using Microsoft Fabric, but for those business users, it's pretty transparent. It's not really any different as far as they're concerned. But for all these roles listed on the screen, it is a very different way of handling the data and all the behind the scenes things. So if you're a business leader, you should care about Fabric for the following reasons. You're going to get your data quicker. The teams are going to be able to produce things for you much easier with a more modern platform like Microsoft Fabric that has all the tools kind of under one umbrella. And that common platform helps people work together more easily. The data is stored in a unified fashion. It takes a lot of the mess out of what existed before. You're going to be able to set the security and the privacy more easily than you did when everything was disconnected. And something we'll cover in more detail is there's a totally different pricing model now with Microsoft Fabric that's capacity-based. So we're going to go into that in much more detail in a future episode. And finally, this is a much stronger foundation for AI and all the work that is coming with AI and that will continue to evolve. It's a much more solid foundation for being able to share information across your whole enterprise, including AI. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Drums and Data. Stay tuned. We have 2 more episodes coming around clearing up the confusion around Microsoft Fabric. We have one on a full deep dive into capacity, what it is, how you monitor it, and we also have another episode on data governance and what Microsoft Fabric adds and just kind of what data governance is in general. So stay tuned for those. Once again, I am Andy with Integrity Data Insights, and if you need help clearing up confusion around your business data problems, I'd love to be of assistance. Head to my website, integritydi.com, click on the Schedule a Consultation link, and I'd love to chat with you soon. Thanks so much for joining me.